Did you guys miss me for 2 days? I missed you guys and I'm really sorry. I was so busy doing a project that I wanted to start on December 1st and I was really excited. I did not get time to upload other videos because I was so busy that I would sleep at 5 in the morning, wake up again at 10, and then again start working on the project that I wanted to start today. So I have prepared myself for this series that I'm going to start today, and you've already guessed from the title that we are going to do, and we're going to do the Crayola Advent Calendar. And this is the beautiful box. It's the back side, and then we flip it to the front side, and look how beautiful this picture is on the front. But I have a surprise for you from the thumbnail. If you have clicked because of the thumbnail, or if you have checked my thumbnail, I've kept something surprise that I made out of this. So are you guys ready for the surprise? And 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can't do that. That's not going to happen. Okay, give me 1 second and I'm going to move you guys. Voila! Did you guys see my art room background? This is where I sit, the red chair, and this is going to be the background for the next month. Sorry about that light. Sorry. But this is my background that is going to be there for the 24 days of the Advent calendar that I'm going to open and do a lot of Christmas coloring work and lot of Christmas DIY, so stay tuned. But this is the background that's going to be the focus for the next 24 days. And wait, and here is the pink one, and he's hanging upside down and waving you the markers. And Crayola, if you're watching this, please let me know how you liked this. I tried to depict the picture on the Advent calendar and make it kind of similar. I did a few addings and few edits and few of my own work, and changed a little bit here and there, but I hope you guys like it. I was really excited. I kept working on it day and night for 3 days because this idea just came out of the blue. So I hope you guys love it, and we're going to start opening the Advent calendar today, and we're going to be true to it. Let's move back to the table. We're going to be true to it, and I'm going to open one window a day. Okay, I'm not going to cheat, I promise. I'm going to do one window a day, and every video will be dedicated to that one particular item that comes out. Okay, so we're not going to cheat. We're not going to cheat. Okay, but before we do that, I have someone that did not make the final project, and he is this little guy right here. I might paint him and put him up. And he's not on here, but he is on the back side of the cover for the Advent calendar. And I made him, and then I was like, I'm running short of time, so he did not make it today. But if I am able to get a chance, because I want to do 2 videos per day for 24 days, and if I do get a chance, I will definitely paint him and put him up with that with that background. But do let me know, guys, in the comments below, have you liked that background? Because I worked very hard. And guys, the background will change after Christmas Day, that is December the 25th. The background will change. I will make something new and I will put it up. So let me know in the comments below, and definitely I'm going to show my face at the end of the video. So let me sit down on my chair and we'll open the first day. Okay, so I'll see you at the table. Guys, so it is the 24 days of Advent calendar for Crayola, and this is it right here. I know you guys already saw it. And I'm doing an ugly sweater party. You know why? Because it's almost Christmas time. It is December and I'm always excited at this time of the year. So my ugly sweater. How do you like my ugly sweater? Leave me a comment below for that. But I hope you guys loved what I did. And Crayola, if you're looking, I am so excited for you guys to see my background. I was really happy when I got done with this DIY project. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the first day because it's December the 1st. And number 1 is right here. So we're just going to peel the perforation. I don't want to put this. Okay. And my first is a marker. Ow. Okay. What did we get? We got a Silly Sense. It's a Doodle Sense marker and it's a tropical punch. Super excited. I don't own any of the Doodle Sense Crayola markers, so I'm really excited. But with this, they also have something on the back right here. And I don't know if you guys have already watched other advent calendar videos, because I did watch a lot of them and I was super excited to get mine. So I'm going to open this. Voila. And it says, pull out only today's number from the envelope. Every day you will get a fun new activity. So there is an envelope and it says no peeking. Pull out today's number only. And this one says number 1. So let's pull that out. I'm not going to cheat. I promise I'm not going to look at it. I haven't opened this for almost more than a month because I had it for more than a month. But look at this. So it's you can write a letter to Santa right here, and then you can color these 2 pictures. These are so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color this and I'm going to incorporate my Doodle Scent marker that I got today with it and use my other Crayola products to color this painting. So let's get to the table and let's get started. Let me put this back in there or I'll lose it. I am really careless person. Ask my mom about it. All right guys, see you at the table. No more talking. guys, today was day 1, December 1st, 2018, and my first present or first gift from the Crayola Advent Calendar was this Doodle Sense Tropical Punch marker, and it smells delicious. I am so can't get over the smell. It is so delicious. I have never had the Doodle Sense before. I lots of gifts up here, and then here he's trying to peek through the window to see the reindeer come by, and I did make a mistake for the window. I did not want I should not have colored the sky black, but I did. I'm trying to see what I can do to fix it, and if I fix it by tomorrow, I will show it in tomorrow's video what I did. On the back side there's a letter for Santa, and I haven't written anything, but I did use that Doodle Scent marker that I received and colored it in. You can see that I have some marks here on the yellow. That was because my hands, if you can see right here, from all the painting I did, I have, my hands are really messy. I've tried to color them a lot, I mean not color, clean them a lot, but it did not go away. But this is our day 1 painting, and I'm really excited how it turned out. I'm definitely going to write something to Santa, and then I think I'm going to laminate this sheet to keep it as a permanent memory. So loving this. My only Christmas wish would be from Santa is to have 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and if we do reach 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day, that is December 25th, which I'm hoping that I reach by December 25th, 2,000 subscribers, we will do a giveaway for the New Year's. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to do 24 videos opening each day for this Advent calendar, plus the regular videos will come up. So I'm going to do 2 videos a day. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and comment below how you liked my new art room decor for my backdrop. Do let me know in the comments below how you liked it, and if you did like it, which one is your favorite color. And don't forget about that pink guy up there. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. I am waiting for you guys to comment. I can't wait to read your comments. Have a wonderful day. Bye.